Hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial today I'm going to show you how to actually convert a PDF file to a JPG, so a JPG file. Simply open up your browser and head to ilovepdf.com. It will take you to this website, and here you can use their tools. Now it's very easy. Go to Convert PDF, choose the first option, PDF to JPG, and select the PDF file you want to convert, drag it in, and here you can you choose the normal version or the high version. Simply convert to JPEG right here, and that's it. You can download the image, and as you can see it's a zip file, but that's it. If you still get any questions, leave it in the comments down below. I'll try my very best to help you. If this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.